Hi everyone, how are you? I am so excited. I received one of my favorite boxes. It is Tribe Beauty Box, and this is a special box. It is in collaboration with the YouTuber I personally have followed for at least a few months now, Porcelain, and I'm super excited to see what they came up with together. I've been watching her channel, like I said, for at least a few months. I think I found her when I started to look into like pale skin makeup tips or something like that, because like her username suggests, she is fair skin like me. So if you're unfamiliar with the box, Tribe Beauty Box is a bi-monthly box that ships internationally, which is another awesome thing about this box. It's cruelty-free, it's $34.99 every other month, so the one thing I have to say that I haven't liked about this is that I don't get it every month, but hey, it's so good that it's worth the wait. So it always comes in this like super cute packaging. I am super excited. I know we have one thing in here. I was gonna do like a try-on video like I did last time in December. Was it December? Yeah, oh my god, I can't believe that December was 2 months ago already. But, so usually those take a lot longer to film and I have to go somewhere today, so I'm gonna do a video later on, just so you guys know. But anyways, when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. Oh, but before I start unboxing, I just got so excited, I forgot to mention, I did pick a winner for the Fit Lifestyle box and she was contacted and confirmed, but I still have 2 other giveaways going on, so if you did not win, do not worry. I will leave the links down below. One ends at the end of February and the other in a few days, so definitely check those out if you have not entered. Anyways, back to the box. There is Bridget, aka Porcelain, right there. So it says Tribe Beauty Box, Time Porcelain. And then it has all of the things we get in here along with the pricing. So I think they promise that you get at least $100 in this box or something like that. And you definitely do. I'll add up the total value at the end. So underneath the card, this is what I see. And I'm excited. The first 2 things I see are face masks, and I've used some things by Masquerade before. I think we got some face masks. Was it in the Lola Beauty Box or was it in another Tribe? I don't know. But these are ones I have not tried yet. So this is the Masquerade Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask, Beauty Restore, Restore, Nourish, and Relax. They always have really cute packaging. The ones we got last time, I think one of them might have been like a hydrating one, but the other one was a primer. I've only used one of them actually. The one I've been saving to use is like supposed to prime your skin for makeup, so I was like waiting for like me to have something big to do for that, and I haven't, but I should just use it. But anyways, the next one is a hydrating facial mask as well, and it says Detox Diva. This is supposed to cleanse, exfoliate, and detoxify. Yeah, I want to be this chick. She's like celebrating in a tub with some champagne or wine or something. Nice. So it says these are each $6, so $12 total, and it says every day your skin loses essential moisture and nutrients. While you prepare for your beauty sleep, the hydrating sheet mask formula goes to work, leaving it silky, smooth, and supple by the morning. So awesome, I love sheet masks, so it's exciting. Next thing, this is one thing I did know about that was going to be in here. This is wrapped up all nicely in some bubble wrap. And this is by Suva Beauty, and it is their Block Party palette, and this is a really colorful palette. So I'll show you guys. I am excited because it's kind of out of my comfort zone, so I'm like really looking forward to using it. It's very bright colors. If you're not familiar with Porcelain's channel, or Bridget's channel, she does a lot of colorful looks, so this totally makes sense to be in her box. Oh, so I just like flew that over there. So I like how the inner packaging is the same as the outer. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so pretty. There's a mirror. Those are the colors. So like, see, there's some bright colors in there. There's also some neutrals too, so you can use this like for day or night looks. I mean, nothing's wrong with color. You can wear it anytime, wherever. Like, I think some people might think this is more of like a summer palette, but you can wear colors all year round. And I'm in Florida and I feel like everyone's wearing like bright colors all the time. Even though I'm very like neutral today. Look at me, I'm just in my gray tank top I probably wear in like every video. But anyways, I'm super excited. Let's swatch a few colors, like lemonade, this yellow. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. Ooh, and then I'll do the pink. Let's see if that's what it looks like on my fingers. I think these are really pretty. They seem really pigmented and like buildable. And let's see, what other one should I do? Boombox. It's like a teal type color. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, you guys, I'm excited to play with this, even though it's like, I totally like neutral looks, but again, I'm excited to get something different, not just like the same all neutral palette that we get all the time. So let me just wipe my fingers off a little bit. Man, oh my god, look how colorful this is. I love it. I'm really excited. So let's see what the price is. I think it's $30. Oh yeah, so I guess they sold out a certain amount of boxes with the Block Party palette, so people who ordered later on or order now will get a different palette. So the Block Party palette, the one I just showed you, is $30. And then some people got the Saffron palette, which is $35. So for Block Party, it says it's a colorful 10-shade eyeshadow palette for the bold, wild, and playful. And the Saffron is a warm tone 9-shade eyeshadow palette with luxurious formulas reminiscent of the world's most desirable spices. That sounds nice. I saw pictures of it. It's really beautiful, so don't be disappointed if you don't get this one. It looks pretty too. So awesome. I'm excited to play with that, even though like a little nervous, but don't you think that'll be like really fun look using these colors? I'm gonna have to look up some tutorials. Oh, and I can create a look using my new Luxie brushes. I love Luxie brushes. I feel like I've gotten similar brushes to this, but they looked a little different. They're like kind of on the smaller end. Here, let me take the plastic off. It kind of like makes it reflect. So this is the Flawless Eye Set. Premium handcrafted brushes. Use these 4 magically soft synthetic eye brushes to add special details to your brushes, to your eyes this season. Everywhere you go, people won't help but stare at your show-stopping eye look. So there's the Luxie 111, 121, 131, and 141. So it's the mini flat angled, mini tapered, mini angled, and mini round. And I think I used one of these today. It just looks different. Like, I think we received one in our, one of the Boxy Charms. Was it like November? And they were like gold and shimmery. Like, this is what I used in my inner corner today. Yep, this is 141 round. So I'm excited to get new ones. They look a little different, but they're the same. I think I say this in a lot of videos, but I'm really bad about cleaning my brushes. So the more, the better. Like, I'm super excited about this. Awesome. So let me take them out of here. Just gonna get a better look. I really like the gold here. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I love getting brushes. So I think these are kind of expensive too. Yeah, $30. So it says, take your party look to the next level with this professional grade eye brush set. Tackle the most precise eye looks with this set. I love Luxie brushes. They really are great. So this is awesome. And that's pretty much like the price of the box. It's so cool. Okay, there's 2 more things. Next is a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil, and I'm super excited to try this. I've been loving Wander Beauty lately, you guys. If you've been following me, you know their foundations, like my current favorite. I have it on my face right now. But I heard one of my favorite YouTubers, Jessica Braun, talk about this. She like reviewed the whole brand Wander Beauty, and she really liked this face oil, and I'm really big into face oils right now. I'm using so many. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to use this. Maybe I'll like use it as a primer, like with my other oils. I'm gonna have to look more into it, but let me see if I can get this open. I'm always so afraid that I'm gonna break my nails because I tend to always do that like while I'm filming. Oh, it's really cute packaging. So that is what it looks like. And this is a big size too. How much is in here? 0.85 ounces. It says a luxurious multitasking oil that instantly hydrates and absorbs into skin. A blend of oils including raspberry, meadow foam, evening primrose, and geranium oil work to soothe and replenish skin's natural moisture barrier. Skin is left looking more radiant, healthy, and supple. So it says gently squeeze the tube to release a couple of drops of glow ahead, and then onto the fingertips, massage into skin. Okay, let's see what it says on here. This is $48. Damn, that's expensive. Signature blend of 8 powerful yet lightweight beauty oils that instantly restores skin youth, balance, and glow. I guess it's more affordable than the Sunday Riley, right? I don't know. So I'm just gonna, so it's like a little dropper. Ooh, that does feel good. And 1 drop goes a long way. See, I would, yeah, you probably don't need many. This will last a long time. This is awesome. Oh, it makes my hands feel nice. I'm super excited about this. This is such a good size and such a good value. $48, so that's more than the box. Wow. And then there's one more thing. I'm getting oil everywhere. This is by IBY Beauty. This is their Velour Liquid Lip in Berry Berry. I think I kind of wanted the other one. This is another sneak peek I saw. There's 2 shades. You could have gotten a berry color or like a nude color, but you know what? Oh, this is sweet. This is really pretty. I'm okay with this. I was thinking it'd be like super dark berry, right? Like kind of like more like the color of this. Let's see. So this is $12, a highly pigmented and indulgent creamy liquid to matte lipstick that creates a larger than life smile. It's vivid and lustrous. Awesome. So that is what the applicator looks like. Okay, I love it. This is, oh my god, I'm so happy with this box, you guys. Okay, this is like a mauve-y berry type color. I would say it's more like mauve. I was thinking it was gonna be like super dark. I'm so excited about this. I think they did a great job on their collaboration. So let's just go through it really quick again. So we got 2 face masks, and then we got the face oil. I feel like this is really a full face of makeup pretty much, wow. The Black Party palette, oh, plastic just flew on me. The lippy, the brushes. This is awesome. So let me add up the total on my phone right now. Let me get my calculator. Okay, so the total for mine is $132. So if you got the saffron palette, it would be even $5 more, so $137. And I paid $34.99, so totally worth it. You did a great job on this box, Forest Linen Tribe Beauty Box. I'm super excited. I always am so happy about this box. So did you guys receive it? Did you like it? Have you tried this palette before? Because I know it's been out for maybe like 5 or 6 months. So it's still pretty new, but yeah, I don't know. I just think it's, I feel like sometimes on camera the colors don't really show as well, like, but yeah, I'm super excited to play around with that and everything. So we'll use this in some kind of upcoming giveaway, so look out for that. And by the way, do you guys like my earrings? I got these in my video yesterday that I did. But anyways, thank you again for being here. I'll stop rambling and taking up your time. Thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.